Oh yeah. A different line there, that's quite fun. Nice. Let's do it. Yeah, buddy. Wonder how little traction I'm gonna have with how bald this rear tire is. Tree root. Nice. Woo! Oh. Oh, no, Brendan. Oh, there he is. Nice. You alright, bro? Whoops. It's they're real grabby, eh? Real slippery. Whew, bit of dust. Unexpected. Whee! Woo! Woo! Slippery. Oh man. Or open her up a little bit. Woo! Oh, big rock. Hopefully my tire didn't just pop. Doesn't feel like it. Or sound like it. Yeah, boy. Nice one. That was sick. Whew. Oh. Woo! Hell yeah.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Ditch pig! Oh yeah. Ew. Oh yeah. A different line there, that's quite fun. Ew. Got Brendan out front now. It's his first time riding this trail. It's pretty sick to get to show him it. Ew. That bit's tricky, eh? Yep, you got it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, this is that other trail for a bit. Yep, I'll go left. Now I can go right. Oh yeah, boy, up to the high line. Let's go, dude. Woohoo! Ew! Yeah, buddy. This is where that step down is. Woo! Yeah, it's a big one, eh? Woo! Yeah, buddy. To the right here, Brennan. Sneaky tip here. When you go down, you'll see it goes up to the left, up over a tree root. Yep. Go there. Carry your speed a little bit over because it drops off a little bit after. Like, don't jump, but like, don't come to a complete stop on it. Yeah, right. It's a sick line. So, left at the tree root. So come around this corner and you'll see it, and then go up to the left-hand side at the option just up here. Yep. Yeah, boy. Woo! Loma. Oh, that line was sick. How good are the bridges, eh? Yeah, dude. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh, skids. Yo, bro. Sick. Fuck yeah. Nice one. That was sick. That was a good first lap, man. Your first ever time down there. That was sick.
That was cool.
Well done. Oh!